free PDF reader for Windows PC. So if you want a free PDF reader for your Windows PC, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. After having an internet connection, now you just need simply open up your browser. Now, free PDF reader is a freeware that allows you to view your PDF files offline. So after opening your browser, you need to search for free PDF reader. And now here you will have the free PDF reader. If you want to download it for free, then here as you can see that it says for Windows, iOS or Android, it's free. So you just need simply click on the free download option and it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you just need simply go with free download, which is right here on the left side, and on the top right, as you can see that the file has started downloading. So after downloading the file, you need to click on the setup file to install. So you can go with downloads, go with the upper right which has that three dots, and then go with downloads. And once it's downloaded, you need to click on the setup file and it will ask you if you want to install it. So you just need simply go with I have read and agree to the terms and conditions, and then go with install now, and it will start the installing process. After installing, you can just simply proceed with the steps, go with next, allow, and your free PDF reader will be installed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.